What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and we have some deals today from Home Depot and Direct Tools, so let's go. First up, we have this Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw. Now, one of you mentioned it in the comments yesterday and was trying to post a link. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. They did say that they sent something out to all the content creators and said that they're going to remove links from shorts in the comments. So you can't put links in comments in shorts, but maybe they're glitching and they doing it to regular long form videos too. I don't know. So that's probably what was going on. But I did look it up and I found it. So yes, if you add this, it comes with a free gift, and you got to be careful because the compact version is on sale as well. It has a buy one get one. So add obviously the most expensive thing, and then you go to view cart for me anyway, because I already added this to my cart. And this is now $236. $236.25. And again, keep in mind this thing is normally $399 or $379 now. It looks like they gave it a $20 price cut, and it's normally $379. You get it for $236. It's a pretty darn good bandsaw. Ergonomics is mwah for this thing. The brake on it is poo-poo. I'll leave a link because I compared it to the Metabo HPT. Ultimately, that's the one I ended up keeping, the Metabo HPT. This has a 5-year warranty. The Metabo HPT only had one. But that brake on the Metabo HPT, the light, the brake, the build quality it's superior. However, the ergonomics on the Milwaukee is like darn near perfect. But anyway, leave a link to that up here in the upper right hand corner. Moving on, also that impact wrench too. Let's do this. That's 180. Is that 185? Because that's a lot. That's not a good discount. Yeah, 185. Ugh. Okay, 142 for this compact impact wrench too. So there you go there. That's a good deal as well. Moving on, we have this high torque impact wrench. Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Remember about a year ago, they sneakily changed the internals of this thing and it just was a utter dud. But I think they fixed it. And if they fix it, let's go back to our cart here because it was in there. This thing breaks down to be $177.72. Hopefully those of you that are down for these deals from the Milwaukee Tool Group on Facebook, I'm not posting it there because you know the admins don't like hacks. So I'm not going to post this video there. Hopefully you are subscribed and you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss stuff like this. Let's move on to the next deal. We have, while I had this up. Oh, okay, I have this up because we're moving on over to Direct Tools. So Direct Tools is having a sale up to 40% off, and they have this Ryobi impact wrench of $63.99, and the shipping for this deal is also $10. So let's take a look at that real quick, just so you guys can see. So it's up to 40% off select items plus $10. Oh, $10 off shipping. So that means shipping is $5. That means shipping is $5. So $68.99. You get this impact wrench. It's brand new. Make sure you do factory blemish, not factory refurbished. That's cheaper than Home Depot right there. And it produces 300 foot-pounds of torque. It doesn't say whether that's loosening or fastening. It says 3-speed selector offers ultimate control and fastening. I'm assuming this is fastening. And this thing looks like a big boy too. So it looks very mid-torquey. But it's brushed. It's not the brushless one. I don't know, $60-something though. That's not too bad. I read the reviews are great on this thing. Out of 4,000 reviews, shoot, what 91% of people recommend it. So not a bad deal right there. Moving on, we have, this is a weird thing. This Ryobi 40-volt power pack supply and charger. So it works basically as when you plug it in to the house, so an AC outlet. It works as a charger for 3 batteries, all right? Then, like, if you have a 40-volt blower, just a 40-volt pole saw, something like that, you put this backpack on your back, load this bad boy up with batteries, and then stick this battery into the tool, this adapter, and it's like and now you have the juice from all these batteries. I could imagine this being heavy, but, I don't know. I wonder if this will work in a lawnmower though. That would be really incredible if it did. But that's a workout right there. Anyway, moving on. We also have this hammer drill impact driver kit with a 4 amp hour high output battery and a 2 amp hour high output battery. I presume there's a charger inside this bag. So this hammer drill is okay. I think the ergonomics, the size, handle, all that's gonna be pretty good. It's a basic hammer drill though. Produces 750 inch-pounds of torque. Those are the likes of like Milwaukee and the Bosch Big Boy, the Metabo HPT. They're all like 1200 inch-pounds. And this is the best that Ryobi has. And I think that that's a good place for it to be considering its stature among TTI products. This impact driver, however, produces 2200 inch-pounds, and it indeed has modes. So that's a good boy right there. $153.99 for that whole kit. I think that's a good deal, considering the caliber of the tools and these batteries specifically being high output. Moving on, and this is going to be the last deal of the day, but we're going to talk a little bit about it. This hybrid transfer pump. I've been looking for this thing for a year, and I'm going to get this. So $70.99 would be all in, of course, including tax. So Ryobi had this brushed transfer pump. Okay, and if you don't know what a transfer pump is, if you got a flooded basement or something, your sump pump stops working, you put a hose on this end, then you put a little screen filter on good ones come with screen filters. Put that down in the bottom and it'll suck all of the water up. It'll filter out any debris. It'll go through this pump, put a hose on the other end, and it'll pump it out of the basement, right? So that's what a transfer pump is. Milwaukee has one. It's $229. Milwaukee has one. It's $229. I had this before. It's battery only. That's what I don't like about it. And it eats through the batteries pretty darn fast. Don't like that about it. Then Ryobi has a new one, which is also battery only, but it's brushless. But again, it's battery only, right? So this old one, that's a hybrid battery, and you can plug it into AC, is brushed. What a bummer. But it works better. Like, let's go over here. It requires a little more maintenance, sure. But let's look at the reviews over here at Home Depot. Now, Home Depot is no longer selling it anymore. But if we look at the reviews, we see that 91% of customers recommend this product. And it comes with all of this, right? It comes with your power, AC power, comes with a hose, it comes with oil, and it comes with a screen filter. This new one does not come with any of that. It is just this bad boy, and that's it. Neither does the Milwaukee. The Milwaukee don't come with, it's not a Milwaukee, but the Milwaukee don't come with any of that stuff either. It's just a transfer pump in a box. Now, let's look at the newer one. 50% of customers recommend, and then here it is as a kit. 75% of customers recommend. I highly, highly recommend purchasing this. If you are a homeowner, this is going to be important to have. You may deal with a flood at some point in your crawl space in your basement, and you don't want to be battling with that water like I did a year ago during that tornado with a shop vac. It helped, it worked, but this would have been super ideal. I could have just plugged it up and then just sat down with my kids and protected them instead of running back and forth killing myself. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. See you guys next time.